Welcome back, everybody. Today we are in the village. Now I stay in the village in the Philippines, but I want to show everybody how it is. I mean, just now we had a bit of rain, not long, maybe 10 minutes rain, and look at this. Don't expect fancy tar roads when you come here. It's gonna be muddy, it's gonna be wet, but you know what? That's okay. We all manage. I manage for sure. Now in the village it's much more quiet, you know. There's not so much going on. Also the properties are bigger. It is actually quite beautiful. Way more vegetation, as you can see. But yeah, if you come to the Philippines, I think the province is the better way. Except there's a few things like, you know, you're gonna hear chickens the whole time. It can be annoying sometimes, but it is what it is. Yeah, but it's absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Now this is the roads. You're gonna find water everywhere. So if you walk, just be careful. But it's not bad. It can get worse depending on the rain. But this is what I want to show you. Even though you're in the village, you're gonna find friendly people. They will always greet, they will say hi. And there's obviously a sari store where you can buy most of your stuff. Like they do sell some vegetables and soft drinks and all kinds of other grocery items. And it's not expensive at all. It's basically the same price. Maybe 1-2 pesos more. It's not bad. Now this is a sari store. We're not gonna head in there, but yeah. Okay, now check just around where I stay. If you take a small walk, yes you guys, not even 100 meters, you're gonna come to this spot. Now for me, especially in the morning times, you know, just as the sun comes up, this is a beautiful, beautiful view. It's amazing. Look at this. So everybody brings their cows, their goats, even horses, and they won't come here. Let's take a small walk, not too much. So as you see, there's a lot of cows over there. Motorbike with the mountains at the back. That's absolutely beautiful. And then of course you're gonna find your cow. And then there's the properties. So this is basically where the village starts, and it heads in there. Now that's where I stay. And you know what? I'm happy to stay there. No problems for me. I'm happy to stay there. But look at this. This is amazing. With the cow. Yeah. Now this is the province, guys. This is the Philippines province. Hey cow, moo. What's up, man? What's up, man? Yeah, he's not that friendly. Sometimes they don't want to greet me, but sometimes they do. Now right over there is the beach, the ocean. So yeah, man, this is the province. So for anybody who comes to the Philippines, there's not a lot of foreigners that come to these areas. I don't know why. It's because maybe it's not the fanciest of lifestyle, but you know what? I think it's better. It's better than the city, I can tell you that much. You get all of these animals. Cows, horses, goats. You will find your chickens, your ducks. Everything is here. You get it. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is incredible. So yeah, guys, this is the province of the Philippines. Now this is in Bicol region, in the municipality of Pasacao. This is the barangay of Caranan. I do enjoy it. So yeah, I just wanted to show everybody how it looks like when it rains. Hey cow, what up, man? Say hi. Okay. Not the friendliest of cow. But yeah, this is the village. So if ever you come to the Philippines, make a visit. You know, go to the villages, go to the provinces, mind your own business, just do your own thing. and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy it. If you can see past a few things, you're gonna be happy. Always be careful for the water. Like, yes, when it rains, it's muddy, man. It's muddy, but it's okay. Yeah, of course the dogs won't bark. They always bark at me because, I'm a foreigner. They don't enjoy me, and I don't know why. They always bark at me. Okay, so I'm gonna head home. This was just a quick little video. So my house is right over there. That's where I stay. Quite peaceful. Only for the chickens, there's like roosters. Because of the cockfighting. Now this is something that I don't enjoy, but yeah. I don't know if they're gonna put a concrete road here. Maybe, I don't know. But look at this, you won't find pawpaws, mangoes. You're gonna find your banana, your coconuts, all of those stuff you're gonna find here. But yeah, guys, this is the village. Now it is nice. It's gonna rain later on again, so I want to get ready. Next week is typhoon season, so we'll have to see. So everybody, like, subscribe, and let's do this again. I will share some more province stories with you all.